Making a quilt that has 2 different blocks is a lot of fun.
As long as you tackle it one bite at a time.
On today's program, you will learn how to use a special tool for trimming triangles,
How to create quick-pieced flying geese,
and how to use a special tool for making the diamond rectangle unit.